Hi, will you help me replant 1 hectare of a bamboo forest this year by January? My name is Miguel Solari and I'm the creator of My Plastic Free Store. So one of my favorite internet memes is the one showing the back of the semi-truck with the sign, "Don't like trucks? Stop buying shit, problem solved." It's true on so many levels, especially when it comes to environmental problems. However, with 8 billion humans being marketed single-use plastic garbage products, shopping's not slowing down. But we can control what we buy and that can change everything. So I wanted to make sure that buying from My Plastic Free Store solves problems, and one of my goals is to make sure that your purchase from us is solving more problems beyond replacing single-use plastics from your life. First, I designed my own brand of zero-waste reusables, and I traveled across the planet to Bali to make sure I'm not selling you problems. That's a story for a different video, but I can verify all the sourcing, living wage and labor conditions, and values of the people in my supply chain to be ethical. Your purchase is helping people live decent lives and aligned with solutions, not problems. Okay, but this is the whole point of this video. I'm giving $1 per order to plant 1 bamboo tree, technically a grass, towards a massive reforestation effort with Bali Regreen. This will eventually help remote Balinese villagers earn money for life once the bamboo is mature. I also partnered up with Plastic Detox Bali, an organization that helps small businesses transition away from single-use plastics across the island, and that will change the paradigm. So your purchase from my store is really attached to solving problems at the source. In January, I will be sending this money to these organizations, but it's not enough to plant 1 hectare of bamboo yet. I need to sell at least another 50 orders plus by then. Will you help me come close? Please click some links, come to my shop, make some purchases, and solve a whole bunch of problems with me. Let's turn holiday e-commerce into a solution. Come to My Plastic Free Store. Thank you.